Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a web server in Windows Server 2008, and in this activity I will be using Internet Information Services. First of all, we have to assign static IP address to our interface. Please go to Network and Sharing Center. In this activity I will be using interface lookback number 1. Please go to View Status, Properties, Continue. Please find Internet Protocol version 4. Next, go to Properties. Use the following IP address. I will be using the IP address such as 172.168.1.5. Subnet mask is given by default. Default gateway is going to be 172.168.1.5.1 and preferred DNS server. The IP address is going to be 172.168.1.5. Next, please press OK. Please ignore this message. Now please close all windows. Next, please go to Start, Administrative Tools. Please go to Server Manager. Press Continue. In Server Manager, please go to Rules. And in here, please add rules to your server. I've already added server rules such as DNS server and web server. You have to do manually. Next, please go to Start, Administrative Tools. Please go to DNS. In DNS, please go to Server 2. Server 2. Please go to Forward Lookup Zone. And now please add New Zone. We have to create primary zone. We press Next. Now we have to name our zone. I will name our zone such as acme.com. Please press Next. acme.com.dns zone file was created. We press Next. If you are using DHCP, you can allow dynamic updates. Currently, I'm not using DHCP, and I don't give permission for dynamic updates. Next, acme.com forward zone was created. We finished this. Next, please go to acme.com, and now we have to add new host. I will call our host server 2, and the IP address is 172.168.1.5. Add host, the confirmation that host record server2.acme.com was successfully created. Press OK, and done. Now we have to add a new alias. Go to New Alias, and in here is the domain. If I type www, the domain acme.com is going to be www.acme.com. Now please go to Browse, go to Server 2, press OK. Now please go inside to Forward Lookup Zone, go to acme.com, and please add Server 2. OK. Now we have fully server2.acme.com, and in here is www.acme.com. Press OK, and Forward Lookup Zone configuration is completed. Now we can add Reverse Lookup Zone. just in emergency if we need. Please go to reverse lookup zone. Now create new zone. Next, we have to create primary zone. Next, I'm creating IP version 4 reverse lookup zone today. Press next. Now we have to specify network ID 172.168.1. Press next. Reverse lookup file zone was created. Press next. If you are using DHCP, you can use dynamic updates. Currently I'm not using and I don't give the permission for dynamic updates. Press next and the reverse lookup zone is created. Finish. Now go to the new zone and we have to add new pointer. Go, the host IP address stays, go to browse, server 2, press OK, go inside and please add server 2. Press OK, press OK. And the pointer to server2.acme.com is the IP address of 172.168.1.5. Now our forward lookup zone configuration and reverse lookup zone configuration is completed. Now we can close the DNS. Now please go to Start, Administrative Tools, Internet Information Services Manager, Continue, and the Internet Information Services Manager menu is displayed. Please open the server 2. Next, please open the sites, and in sites we have default website. Now we can test if it works. Please browse. If DNS was configured properly, we should receive index.html website, and the index.html website is displayed. I will show you how to create the index.html. Please go to Start, Computer. Next, please go to C. Please find folder inetpub. Next, please go to www.root, and in root, before the presentation, I've created index.html as this saves me a time. If you press in here, you can see what is inside. I've created the basic HTML. Now we can close this, and we can test in other ways if web server works. We can use Mozilla Firefox, and in the browser we can type the IP address directly 172.168.1.5, and the index.html website will be displayed as DNS was configured correctly. Yes, I received the confirmation, and now I can type www.acme.com. And it works. Now I would like to show you more about Internet Information Services options available. In In here we have content view, and in content view you can find out the index.html, the file which I've created, or features view, where you can find information. Now I would like to finish my configuration, and I would like to explain you more about Internet Information Services and Acme scenario. Now I'm going to the Power presentation, and according to Windows Server 2016, Microsoft Internet Information Services is the second most popular web server software. It consists of a series of services including File Transfer Protocol (FTP), Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP), Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP), and others that enable a Windows machine to manage websites. The latest version also includes various models for security, filtering, caching, ASP.NET integration, compression, redirects, logging and diagnostics. On the image, the Apache blue line is on the first position. Microsoft is on the second position in web server on the IT market. I just wanted to show you the difference between Microsoft and open source, as Apache is open source but Microsoft is not. Next, I would like to tell you more about HTTP. According to World Wide Web Consortium 2016, HTTP is an application-level protocol for distributed collaborative hypermedia information systems. A feature of HTTP is the typing and negotiation of data representation, allowing system to be built independently of the data being transferred. Next, according to DexShare 2016, File Transfer Protocol (FTP) is used to transfer files between two computers over a network and internet. Next, I would like to show you the server topology. I just want to show you how it works. In here we have the PC. In here the device is switch, router, and router is connected with email server, web server, and FTP server. These three servers are very important to remember and to understand. Next, I'm going to tell you why Acme needs Internet Information Services. Acme needs Internet Information Services as this is web server development platform which main function is to host websites on the internet. If Acme wants to make their websites look more attractive for the customer's perspective, they should use interactive websites. Internet Information Services works in collaboration with .NET, which is a well-developed platform. Acme will implement Internet Information Server in the intranet as this is a very secure place. Internet Information Services server store a lot of confidential information, and from the security purposes it's very important to protect server very well. Now it's quiz time. Please specify vendor of Internet Information Services. Please choose one. Number 1 Linux, number 2 Apple, number 3 Windows, number 4 Dell, number 5 HP. I hope that you enjoy watching my video tutorial and see you soon.